got this. Look. My boy Andrew got it. Sheesh. Finna flex on him. So I'm box this hole real quick. Oh shit, you gotta set all this shit up. Hold on, let me pause. GoPro pause here. Behind the scenes, cuz. All I'm saying, bro, is if I put this on here, bro, and I end up beating you, we're gonna have some issue, bro. He thinks he's about to beat me. No, I'm gonna beat you, bro. I'm gonna beat you, bro. Because everybody that has this behind their car, they're fast. So by me putting this, I'm considering to be fast now. Well, y'all heard that, guys. What the fuck are you tiny? What do you mean? Look. So we're on our way to Mexico, and we're gonna be racing against some very interesting cars. And no, they're not American Muscle, which is a little bit more scarier than usual, but we shall see. So let me go ahead and go to Mexico, and see you in a minute. We have arrived at Mexico, and it's time to get these runs in, baby. That's a tight bar. What the hell? I think we were supposed to exit. Damn it. Ah. 45. Oh. Oh my man, this is just